The student wants to contrast how green backgrounds are used in the US and UK road sign. I'm going to highlight the part we need to search. Contrast. Find the difference. How the green backgrounds are used in US and UK road signs. Okay, so also it's a green background. Okay, so that's our target here. So if you read the very first line, the background colors of US and UK road signs are used to denote each sign's purpose. So our focus is the background colors of the road signs. Directional signs are a type of sign containing information such as route names, distance to a destination. Highways, major roadways, and minor roadways in the US are generally use green for directional sign. So in the US, if you drive, you know this, it's always green. Okay, so US, green for everything. Highways in the UK, okay, so this is US versus UK. Highways in the UK generally use blue for directional signs, and major roadways in the UK uses green for directional signs. So what's very important here is that UK has a blue. The highway, highway in the UK has a blue directional signs. It's going to be very important because that's what contrasts with the green here. So choice A, blue backgrounds are generally used on directional highway signs in the UK in contrast to the green highway signs used in the US. So this happens to make very general difference or general contrast that mostly blue backgrounds are used on directional highway signs. So we are targeting just highway here. Okay, so which means that we are not also considering major roadways and minor roadways, although minor roadways in the UK was not mentioned. At least we also gotta talk about other types of roadways, but it did not, so this is not a good answer. But it's still contrasted it, so we'll keep A for now and see if there's a better answer. Choice B, in the US, green signs indicate directional information on both highways and major roadways. That's true, right? Because highways, major roadways, even minor roadways are all have green background on the road signs. But in the UK, directional signs of this color generally appear only on major roadways. So in line 4, which I made a black circle here, highways in the UK generally use a blue for a directional sign. So everything else might be same, but the highways in the UK use a blue background. So this is actually a good answer because it covers all kinds of road and also contrasts the color on depending on specific roadways. Okay, so choice C, green and road signs are used in both US UK to denote directional information on major roadways, like distance to a destination or route names. Okay, again, this only made it specific to the roadways, major roadways, but nothing about the highways to make a contrast. So yeah, not only that it didn't use any contrast, it's just that they both use like on major roadways to use a green road sign. So that's more like a comparison rather than contrast. And choice D, both the UK and the US use a directional signs, which include this has nothing to do with the color of backgrounds of the road signs. Therefore, the correct answer should be B.